Hello everyone. In this second part of the restoration of this Omega pocket watch, I am going to prepare and inspect the essential components to ensure the perfect functioning of the movement. I begin by cleaning all the parts with pegwood before placing them in a pre-wash with Elma 1:9. With the parts already prepared, I perform a pre-wash on all of them using a brush to remove the bulk of the debris and dried oils. This ensures that when they are subsequently transferred to the ultrasonic cleaner, also with Elma 1:9, the cleaning process will be more effective and rapid, preventing any damage to the parts. After the ultrasonic cleaner, I place the parts in a distilled water bath, followed immediately by another bath in Elma Suprol Pro to completely remove any water from the components. Using a heat source, I am going to dry all the parts and check to ensure that none of them have any remaining residue. One of the most important parts in the cleaning process is the cap jewel of both the balance cock and the main plate. Using a pegwood, I am going to remove the dried oils and then rinse them in Elma Suprol Pro. Since the acrylic crystal is brand new and still has its protective film, I am going to leave it as it is and will only remove the film at the very end. As for the steel case, I am only going to clean it with a little diamond paste, as it is in excellent condition. I now come to one of the most important and fragile parts in the cleaning process. With great care, I am only going to clean it using a cotton swab and a piece of Bergillon Rodico. In this case, the less I intervene, the better, in order to avoid staining or damaging the paint on the dial.